I think a major issue is that electrohydraulic technologies they have, wherever energy is delivered into the tissue, they have the shockwave shape. The other technologies only have it in the focal area. We do not yet know if this is really important, but this might be a reason for the more efficiency. What I just learned, and I did not know before, is that they enlarge the focal area. This is something that I just by experience expected, because it's absolutely practically harmless. It does not cause pain or very little pain. When you try the device outside, you will do this during the practical part. You only, when you use ultrasound shading, you feel a little bit of the shockwave. And the second, so this is how they enlarge their focal area. They do it with special reflectors. And then the second is they adjust the voltage. And when you use electrohydraulic technology, you in this case really with very little pain or pain-free, and they have high success rate. Just to let you know, there are people that seriously discuss that we should call shockwave therapy as an invasive therapy. This is very ridiculous. 1, 0, 0.
So just give you an idea of this is 0.5 up.
I would have 0 is no pain at all, 10
very rich
pain, and I get during the treatment
not painful.